There are shocking reports of chaos and violence at border crossings.
It's a massive migration north. Millions flee the ruins of Mexico City.
There are water riots in Los Angeles for the third straight
Finally
day.
tonight, new findings showing the planet is heating up even more quickly than expected.
There's one issue that will define the contours of this century more dramatically than any other, and that is the urgent and growing threat of a changing climate.
1 in 6 people now live in India, and resources are being stretched by the dual pressures of development and a population that's doubled in size since the 1970s.
Polar ice sheets will melt, leading to rapid sea level rise. It's also a point at which many areas of the world will no longer be able to grow food. So it's likely that we could see price spikes, food shortages. These are the kinds of things that will set off a lot of other rapid and potentially catastrophic chain reactions.
And of course, tourism plays a massive role in Australia's economy.
Estimated population of the world, if the estimated population is maybe going to be about 7.9 billion, more than half of those people will be in the middle class by 2025. If you think about that, that means they'll have discretionary dollars to spend.
That says this once distant threat has moved firmly into the present and into the sting of more frequent extreme weather events that show us exactly what these changes may mean for future generations.
Rising sea levels, changing rainfall patterns, increasingly intense tropical cyclones, and warming and acidification of coastal waters.
Another short ski season in the Sierra, and another resort is shutting down for the winter. Sugar Bowl is calling it a year. As Doug Johnson reports, the lack of quality snowstorms is just crushing
disappointing
the
snowfall has left the resort no choice but to close at one of the earliest dates in its
situation
history.
in Beijing, which is facing another smoggy day. Air quality was considered hazardous all weekend.